What's going on, boys? Back again with another POV. As you guys can see, I got the GTS Hood on the car. Finally, this was one of the mods I've been talking about. This is not the last thing. As y'all can see, right now the car is still gutted. This is just a late night POV though. Yeah, we still got no seats in there. I'm back on X delete, so we should be hooking a lot better right now. But yeah, the car's looking crazy, bro. Like, I'm super pleased with how it looks right now. Let me know what you guys think in the comments of the GTS Hood. It's not paint match or nothing, it's just black iron or whatever it is. But yeah, let me know what you boys think. I'm just running to get some food right now, some Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna take y'all along, do a nice little POV tonight. I also did these little lights. But yeah, if this is your first time watching this, my 2016 340i. One more thing, let me show y'all actually, because a bunch of people have been asking me, yo, are you stock turbo? I'm like, yeah, I'm still stock turbo. It's just because I have a mic right here. So I just pretty much tape it up right here. So that's why y'all can hear like the intake and the turbo noises so much. I just been doing that for all my videos because a lot of people mess with it. Oh, that Benz is clean. Satin black. See, I want to get like a satin PPF for my car, but that shit mad expensive for no reason. That shit just rips. That's an M2. Yo, that's fire. He ain't even seen me yet. Give me a pull, bro. Please. Yo. That's fire. See, that's the best part about having a cool car. That shit sounds crazy. I think it's an N55 if I'm not wrong. That shit sounds crazy. Things can be nice. This is a clean one too though, all black. God. Ooh. Hey, that sounds sick. Big body range beside me. Yeah, that's the new ones. They got the two shark thingies in top. But look at the 340. Man, that shit's sitting good. Best it's ever been. No seat, so my food just gotta sit right there. Let's get an anti-lag roll onto the highway. Yo! Didn't spill it too bad though. It's just like 2 of the fries. Yo, I gotta chill out. I'm gonna eat those though. Let me eat these fries while I take a pull. I'm San Andreas cop car. Let me hold on to that food. Sounds so crazy, bro. I'm in love with the way this thing sounds, bro. Damn. I think that's whatever 63. One of them AMGs that everyone loves. I think it's like the CLS 63 or something like that. That shit sounds aggressive too. Fire little Alfa Romeo. You never really see those. That's why I like seeing them. I like cars that you don't see too much. Nowadays it'd be too much Beamers, I can't even lie. Too much Beamers, but I'm never gonna leave them. Looks wise, I think the car is like at a pretty good spot right now. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Thank y'all again for watching this video. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We're almost at 15k subs as well. So I'll catch you boys again in the next POV. And hopefully by then, the interior mod should be all done as well.